Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You are approaching the traffic light, slow immediately to a controlled pace and begin primary checks. Look at the signal and nearby signs to judge whether it will turn red soon, and check mirrors and blind spots to anticipate other vehicles. Once slowed to about 15-20 mph, lift off the throttle and use engine braking to avoid harsh stops. This preserves traction and comfort. Make sure to cancel any lane intentions. If you must change, signal early so others can predict your move. Continue into a controlled stopping technique by applying steady, progressive brake pressure. Do not stab the pedal. You want to use the friction zone for 1 to 2 seconds, allowing weight to transfer forward gently. This improves stopping distance and keeps passengers comfortable. If your vehicle has ABS, hold firm when it pulses. If not, modify pressure to prevent lockup. At the same time, scan the light and pedestrian crossings, and glance at the rearview mirror to monitor. If a following driver, bring the vehicle to a complete stop just behind the limit line. Keep wheels straight unless you are starting a turn. Once stopped, hold the foot brake, shift to park or neutral depending on traffic flow, and apply the parking brake on hills. If something goes wrong, if you feel a skid, brake fade, or an ABS event, do not panic. Steer toward a safe zone, release and reapply brakes in controlled pulses if necessary, and use engine braking to slow further while you regain control.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.